Hello, bonjour and bonjour everyone. I'm Maggie.
And I'm Cody the Craftful.
And welcome to the Fort Frances Library's Craft Bag Tutorials. So Cody, wanna guess what we're doing today?
Ooh, does it have anything to do with the plates I just brought?
Wow, Cody, yeah, we are. Good job.
I didn't read the schedule or anything.
What was that?
Nothing.
Alright. Well, do you want to guess what we're going to be making with the paper plates?
Something to put food on?
No, Cody. Today we're going to be making moon silhouettes inspired by the Pin Parent on Pinterested Parents. With the yellow we're using, it's gonna make the moon look like it's glowing. Well, let's waste no time and hop into the craft. Alrighty, so in this bag we have one instruction sheet, 2 containers of paint, orange and yellow, 1 black construction paper sheet, and 2 paper plates. Some extra material you will need is a marker, some scissors, a glue stick, a paintbrush. This is completely optional, but you can also have a hole puncher. Alright, so take your paper plate, your paintbrush, and your paints, and apply the yellow and the orange in sort of a spotted pattern, just to kind of make it look like a moon. You can have little meteor holes in it. It's totally up to you. Happy painting! Hey everyone! While you're doing your craft, I have an announcement to make. So this year we aren't having trunk or treat at the library, but we do have an alternative. Thanks to the Legion Ladies Auxiliary, a lot of businesses around town are partnering up for a children's Halloween event. This event has been approved by the Health Unit and the OPP. To register, visit the Fort Frances Legion Ladies Auxiliary Branch 29 Facebook page and comment your child's name below the Halloween event posting. Children 12 and under have free registration, and there is an early bird draw for those who register before October 15th. The last day to register will be October 22nd, so make sure to sign up early! Starting on October 31st at 4:30 p.m., we have a drive-through trick-or-treat. Children will need to be driven to the specified destinations, and a member of the organization will come to the car and deliver their loot bag. The starting location for the drive-thru is the Fort Frances Library, where you will then be directed to your next location. There are a total of 6 locations, and your last stop will be the Fort Frances Legion. Did I also mention there's a car and costume contest too? Parents, make sure to post a picture of your child's costume and decorated car to the Fort Frances Legion Ladies Branch 29 Facebook page in order to participate. This can be done at any time throughout the day. There is also a live virtual party beginning at 7 o'clock. Make sure to head on over to the Fort Frances Legion Ladies Auxiliary Branch 29 Facebook page and follow it so you won't miss out on the invite. Games will be posted one at a time on the live Facebook page, and the first person to post the correct answer on the Facebook page will receive a prize. Prizes for the virtual party and costume and car contests can be picked up at the library. Please bring some ID when coming to the library for prizes. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact the Fort Francis Legion Ladies Auxiliary Branch 29. Alrighty, thanks so much for listening. Happy Halloween! Alrighty, there we go. So, once you're done painting, set it aside to dry and we'll move on to the silhouettes. So take your marker and draw any shape you like. So I'm going to draw a cat and I'm just going to freehand it, but if you want you can take some templates off the internet, cut out the cat or the bat or the witch, whatever you want to cut out, and trace it along the black paper. Once you're done cutting it, make sure to flip it over so that the marker is on the back side. I think I'm gonna add some more stuff to it. So I'm actually gonna make some bats to add to my moon to accompany my little cat. Once you're done cutting, toss everything out, and now we'll actually glue these silhouettes on the moon. So take your glue stick, your silhouettes, and your moon, and apply glue to the back of the silhouette. Then take the glue side and stick it down on the moon. Sometimes the silhouette may not stick, so make sure to pat it down really good and hold it there until it dries. So, put away your glue and your scissors. You won't be needing this for the rest of the craft. Now, take your hole puncher and poke a hole through the top of the moon. This will be great for hanging up in your window, or you could use a plate decorator where you put the plates on top as decoration. You could use one of those. You can glue it to a window. It's totally up to you. There we go. So now all you need is some string and to tie it up. And all done. Oh man, look at how bright the paint is.
Oh, look! I made myself howling at the moon.
Oh man, this was so much fun to make. I'm definitely hanging these up in my window. Well, I wonder if our friends enjoyed it too, Cody. If you'd like, take a picture of it and post it to Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter and tag us. Or use the hashtag FFPLTC Craft Club Crafts.
I can't wait to see everyone's moon pictures. Oh, Maggie, I have something to tell you and our friends.
Sure, just go ahead, Cody.
Well, since it's getting close to winter, I'll probably be staying in my cave more. I'll come and visit, but I won't see you until next summer.
Aw, I'm sorry, Cody. I'll be sad to see you go, but that'll just make waiting for next summer so much sweeter, because then we'll be waiting to see you again.
Yeah, I can't wait to see everyone again next summer. Well, let's sing the cleanup song. Are you ready?
I sure am. Making stuff was really fun. Let's all sing the cleanup song. Clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up, clean up, clean up. Let's all put our stuff away.